Welcome to the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial for guest users on how to download and complete an Excel template return. This template is used for filing sales tax, vendor's use tax, and consumer's use tax. To begin, go to mytax.mo.gov. Scroll down the screen until you see the Business button. After selecting the Business button, select File your tax return as a guest. This will take you to the File and Pay Business Taxes Online as a Guest page. Filing as a guest online is available to all business accounts registered with the department and does not require a separate registration. Please note, if you have new locations to add to your account, you'll need to add them before you download your return template. Scroll down the screen until you see Sales and Use Tax. Select Download My Return Template according to the tax type you need to file. You will then be asked to enter your MOID and your PIN. Once completed, select Next. On this screen, you will be asked to enter your return information. Your business name, account type, account ID, and form number will already be filled in for you. You will need to select your form type and period end date. Please note that amended returns include the business location data, but do not include the previously reported financial data. Once done, select Download. After selecting Download, a pop-up will appear at the bottom of your screen asking if you would like to either open or save the file. Once the Excel return template has opened, you will need to select Enable Editing to make changes to the document. The Excel return template will have two tabs. The first tab is the Location Data tab. On this tab, a list of registered business locations for the reporting period you selected will be displayed. You will only need to input your gross receipts and adjustments for each location. The taxable sales and amount of tax will be calculated for you. Please note the department does not allow a negative amount to be filled. When you've finished inputting the gross receipts and adjustments for each of your locations, select the Summary tab. The Summary tab will show your return totals as well as how much you owe. On row 5, it asks if you are filing your return timely. If so, enter a Y for yes. Your 2% timely allowance will calculate for you on row 6. If you are not filling your return timely, enter an N on row 5, and your 2% timely allowance on row 6 will be 0. You will then need to calculate your interest and additions per the instructions on this tab. Once you've completed your return, you will save it to your computer by going to File, Save As, and selecting a location on your computer that you would like for it to be saved. Please save the file with the name already given to it, as it contains your form number, MOID, and reporting period. Once you have saved your return, you can close it. On the My Tax portal, select Log Out and Return Home. From the My Tax Missouri homepage, scroll down and click the Business button. Then select File your return as a guest. This will take you back to the File and Pay Business Taxes Online as a Guest page. Scroll down until you see the Sales and Use Tax header and select Upload My Return for the tax type you are filing. You will then fill in the submitter information with your first name, last name, daytime phone number, and your email. Once this is filled out, select Next. Here you will enter your MOID and your PIN. Once completed, select Next. On this screen, you will select the form type and filing period for the return you just completed. You will then select Add File, locate the file on your computer, and select Open. Please note that if you have 350 locations or more, it may take several minutes for your file to upload. Once your file has loaded, select OK, and then select Next. This screen will show you a summary of the return you have just filed. To continue, select Next. By selecting Yes on this screen, you are acknowledging that you are authorized to file this return for the account that you have selected. Once you've completed submitting your return, you will receive a confirmation number to keep for your records. To return to the My Tax Missouri login screen, select Log Out and Return Home. Thank you for watching the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial for guest users on how to download and complete an Excel return template.